If you struggle with spelling, here's what I want you to do. Step 1, put a line that represents each sound in the word. Like let's say you wanted to spell the word jacket. You're going to put a line for every sound in that word, not each letter. We're not worrying about the letters right now, only the sounds. It looks like this. J, A, K, E, T. Now, if you've gotten this far, you are so golden because the rest is going to be knowledge that you have, not a reliance upon memorization or guessing. Here's what I mean. To go to spell these sounds, first you're going to place a dot underneath each vowel sound like this. J, A, K, E, T. We're going to save those sounds for last. We must do that because each vowel sound has several different spellings, and in order to know which spelling to use, you have to know which letters are around it. So those vowels are saved for last. Now we're going to go for the consonant sounds. J. There are two sounds for J, right? A G and a J. You're going to use a J always unless that next letter is an E, I, or Y. Then that G can say J. But since that is an A, not an E or an I, we're going to use a simple J to spell the J sound. Now for the K sound, we have three choices, a C, a CK, or a K. The rule is you try C first, and if C can say K in that spot, stop, you're done. However, if that next letter is an E, I, or Y, then that C can't say K there, and then you would go to the CK. And since I know that this is an I can't use C to spell K there. I must try the CK. And the rule for CK is it has to come right after a short vowel, and that is a short vowel, so CK is perfect there. And then the last consonant sound is T, spelled with a T. Okay, now it's time to approach the vowels. This has only one spelling. Don't you love that? Is always spelled with an A, so that one's easy. For this sound, there are a couple different spellings for but we're going to try the most simple and most common one first. That is a simple E. And as long as one of the next two letters is not another vowel, that E can say right there just fine. So we have and that are super happy spellings in those spots. Now look what we've done. We have J, A, K, Et, spelled using our intellect and our knowledge, not using memorization or guessing. This is how you spell jacket with confidence. I would love to teach you more. There's room for you in my class.